Did you know that Venice only has two modes of transportation, boats and walking? This Italian jewel is a mesmerizing labyrinth of canals and cobblestones. The next, we fly to Japan, where the Shibuya crossing in Tokyo wows everyone as the world's busiest intersection. Over 1,000 people cross at every light change. Organized chaos at its finest. Now, let's head to the mysterious Capuchin catacombs in Palermo, Sicily. These underground rooms hold thousands of mummified bodies, creating an eerie yet fascinating glimpse into the past. In contrast, the vibrant city of Marrakesh in Morocco explodes with color at the lively Jama El Fna Square, where you'll find snake charmers, traditional music, and mouth-watering street food. Ever wondered about food so spicy it's an experience? Chengdu, China, is famous for its fiery Sichuan hot pot, an adventure for your taste buds. Exploring the frozen beauty of Antarctica, you'll discover more penguins than people, with jaw-dropping icy landscapes that redefine the word remote. Lastly, experience time travel in the city of Petra, Jordan. Carved into red cliffs, this ancient wonder tells stories of civilizations long gone. Dream big and travel far. Drop a comment with your top dream destination. Follow for more travel adventures.